Sustainability might not be at the top of your list of priorities when buying a travel trailer, but with a towable of this kind, it doesn't have to be. Sustainability is a built-in feature with the Discover 3D Home on Wheels. This could be the world's first 3D printed teardrop trailer, or, at the very least, the only one in the world to go into series production. It's the work of Kiev-based designer Vasil Goner and startups iScale 3D and Lemke Robotics, and it boasts a high focus on sustainability, beautifully combined with functionality and comfort in quite an outstanding package. The Discover 3D is said to be the future of outdoor adventure, being lightweight and compact, yet still large enough to fit 3 people at night, presumably on the condition that one of them is a kid. It's packed with tech and some basic creature comforts, and could make do even for a 4-day extended weekend, assuming you're not particularly keen on your shower daily routine. The idea behind the Discover 3D is that it unlocks a new green potential to this kind of towables, while making no compromise in terms of functionality, as compared to other teardrops. Its construction process also makes it more durable and weatherproof without adding weight, and we all know how important the consideration of weight is when towing. With a trailer like this one, you wouldn't have to upgrade your daily driver for those short getaways. The shell of the Discover 3D is just 250 kilograms, with a maximum permissible weight of 400 kilograms. The teardrop rides on a single-axis chassis, with one media outlet reporting that the exact dimensions are 3.2 meters in length and 1.8 meters in width and height. It's lightweight and compact, alright, just like it says in the official description, and its clear teardrop shape helps with aerodynamics and efficiency when towing. Because the shell is built out of 3D printed plastic with a layer of fiberglass, the Discover 3D boasts excellent soundproofing and thermal conductivity characteristics, both of which will be appreciated in everyday scenarios. Durability is also a highlight, with the team promising a teardrop that can handle whatever Mother Nature will throw at it on your adventures, whether hail, rocks, or rough terrain. The Discover 3D is built using an FGF-fused granulate fabrication, printing technology, melting thermoplastic pellets to create the layers that form the basic structure of the shell. The pellets are actually recycled plastic bottles, about 7,400 of them in total to build a single shell. This allows the team behind the trailer to boast unprecedented eco-friendly feats. The trailer uses already existing plastic, recycling it, so its carbon footprint during production is low. Moreover, it's fully recyclable at the end of its life cycle, which means the plastic in the bottles that once polluted our land or waters can live on from generation to generation, if only in different forms. Sustainability talk aside, the neat-looking trailer boasts solid functionality and a high degree of comfort. The layout is what you might call standard, which is to be expected given the compact dimensions. The interior of the cabin is taken up by the main bed, with storage above and smart features throughout, and a galley kitchen in the tailgate, offering a 2-burner gas stove, a small sink, and some storage. The builders go a long way to present the Discover 3D as a home on wheels and the ultimate adventure trailer, but do take all that with a grain of salt. This is a compact and light teardrop, and it will have the features and amenities of one. This means that the 3-person bed taking up the space in the cabin is best suited for 2 adults and 1 pooch, and that the galley would probably work best for stuff like frying an egg, putting together a plate of deli meats, and making a cup of coffee, not actual cooking. Tailoring expectations is ultimately the key to making the most of a towable like this one. The official description says that the onboard battery will ensure a 4-day autonomy at camp in terms of running lights and gadgets, and that solar panels can be added for extended stays. There's no word on the dimensions of the water tank, but the Discover 3D comes with internet, GPS tracker, AC, sensors for battery charge, interior temperature, CO2 and water level, and electronic locks as standard. The purported future of outdoor adventure is heading into main production, with pre-orders open for €12,000 for the base model. Pricing can go as high as €18,000 for a fully spec'd unit, with the same media outlet noting that several units will also be made available for renting through a dedicated network. There's no exact date set for deliveries though.